Want to turn on WhatsApp's dark mode but can't find the option? No worries. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to change WhatsApp's theme to dark. So, let's start the video. Let's go. First, connect your phone to the internet and open WhatsApp. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then, click on the Settings option. Now, go to the Chats section. Here, you'll find the Theme option. Tap on it. Select Dark Mode, then click OK. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now in dark mode. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now your WhatsApp is in dark mode. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like. And for more helpful tips, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.